Covered everything.
Yeah.
The coolant that you guys use, is any weight, does that like harm the environment or anything?
No. Whatever we don't use goes to a recycler that will actually get rid of all the fluids, and then there's just the solid that's left. This goes into a landfill or gets recycled. But there's nothing left of it.
Yeah.
How many like bales do you guys like compact a day and ship out?
The cardboard and paper?
Yeah.
Oh, it's probably 2 or 3 months.
So you guys get like one?
Yeah, because a lot of things get shipped now in recyclable containers.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of our containers you saw out there are metal or wood. Even that box I showed you that had that band on there, some of those we repack parts in and they go back to the customer.
Okay.
So there's not so much cardboard anymore, so there's nothing to dispose of. Or even though we recycle our cardboard,
there's not much.
No, it's not much. Most of our customers like the product back in their containers.
Okay.
So that's what we do.
Oh, so they send them to you, then you guys send them back, and they send them back. It's like a
back and forth.
ongoing thing.
They're called Contigos, and the parts come in them, and then we ship the parts out in them, and we just recycle the same containers. And if there is a container that's bad, then it goes back to the customer. If it's John Deere or Caterpillar, and they will probably rework it to try to reuse it.
Okay. Do you like have any like pollutants going into the air or anything?
Nothing in the air.
Nothing?
We test our air quality once a year.
Okay.
We have nothing that would go in that we burn that would go into the environment.
Okay. Alright, yeah.
We covered a lot, so.
Yeah. That's pretty much all we had.
Questions on how the company is being sustainable, how you guys recycle, how you guys LEED certified and all that stuff.
We haven't done a whole lot, really and truly. The things that we do, we've done for a long time, and we're doing it to save money for us, you know, by recycling some things. Some of the things that we recycle are coolant that we use for machining. We can use it again, rather than just dispose of it, because there's a disposal cost. And so rather than just dispose of it, we can reuse it and put it back in the machines again and recycle our own coolant. We're a machine shop, so we machine iron castings, steel forgings.
So does a lot of that steel and stuff get recycled?
Absolutely. We all the chips we call them iron borings or iron chips. They go in one hopper and they get recycled. And if we have any scrap, or a big casting that might be scrap, it goes in a separate container.
Like if a part's bad or something?
Say it again?
Like if a part's bad?
If a part's bad, if it's machine scrap, we have someone that will pick those up and will give us, they get put back into another casting. They get recycled, so.
So do you guys do like stuff like for the lighting and stuff? Do you guys like have energy saver stuff?
The lighting that we have in this plant, we just changed over probably a year ago, and we went from the standard fluorescent to they're called green bulbs, and we felt that they're going to pay for themselves within 2 years. And they were pretty expensive, and it'll pay for themselves, and the money they save that we save by using those bulbs within 2 years.
What about like the machines? Like, do you guys have like energy? Like, have you updated your machines at all, or?
You'll have to see when you go out there, but the type of machines that we have aren't really something you can make really energy efficient. You know, I don't think.
Do you have like steam machines, or are they all like electric or?
Everything we have is electric. Yeah. They're all machining centers and turning centers we have at Hypro.
And how many like buildings do you guys have?
We have 8 different plants altogether.
And like are the recent ones LEED certified?
I don't know what you mean by LEED certified.
It's what does it stand for?
I'm not sure what it stands for.
It's an acronym for like some recycling thing, and it's like how an architect builds the
plant to be more efficient.
efficient in a whole.
No, every plant that we they've gone into has been an existing plant. So we haven't built anything.
Okay.
All of our buildings are probably 20 years old or older, you know, about, so we don't have that certification you're asking.
Okay. That's pretty much all questions. And do you have anything to add?
Oh, basically all about recycling. So
Okay.
I mean, we kinda
Maybe what we'll do is we'll take a walk on the floor, and then it might open up some other questions you might have when we'll come back and sit down here again before you guys leave.
Mhm.
Okay.
Remember going to Walmart and them having white bags? Now they have these gray bags where you can return them to a participating store for recycling. These bags are gray because Walmart recycles all their bags.
And other plastics.
And all their other plastics, like soda bottles and everything that's recyclable. Recycling plastics. Walmart.
Gun I'm holding, recycled. Math, recycled. Walmart